I'm going to discuss about the bank reconciliation problem. I'm going to let you prepare a bank reconciliation statement. So we have here a problem. The bank statement for one company shows a balance per bank of 15,907 pesos and 45 cents on April 30, 2015. On this date, the balance of cash per book is 11,589 pesos and 45 cents. Additional information are provided below. So again, we have here the name of the company, that is one company, and this is of course what we call our heading. So for the additional information provided, we have here the deposits in transit. So we already given the DIT, so that is how much? April 30 deposit or the received by the bank on May 1st, that is 2,201 pesos and 40 cents. So for the deposit in transit, it belongs to your, of course, unadjusted bank balance. So we have here the amount in our statement. And for outstanding check, we have here check number, that is 453. That's how much? That's 3,000 pesos. For check number 457, we have 1,401 pesos and 30 cents. For the check number 460, we have the amount of 1,502 pesos and 70 cents. So we have here for the OC, of course, that is your outstanding check. You would see it in our bank statement again. So under the bank balance, we have here the outstanding check. We have the number, the check number, and the amount. Take note, inside the parentheses, that is negative. Again, inside the parentheses, that is negative. Okay, for a moment. So that's it. So we have here errors. Here's one, your errors. One row check number 443 for how much? That is 1,226 pesos. And the bank correctly paid that amount. But, however, he recorded the check as what? He recorded as 1,262 pesos. So what are we going to do? Of course, you just have to subtract. So we have here 1,226 minus 1,262 is equal to 36. It's not negative because we are talking about money. So money doesn't mean that we have a negative value for money because that's only for integers. Okay, take note. We are talking about money, so there is no value as negative. Okay, that's why we have here parentheses to encode that in our statement. That is to symbolize that this is amount that was taken or written incorrectly. So we also have here the next one. For the debit, we have bank memoranda. We have debit memo and credit memo. Under debit memo, we have the NSF. When we say NSF, that is not sufficient fund. So that is an acronym for that one. So NSF check from Pedro is 425 pesos and 60 cents. For next, we have here charge for the printing company checks. We have 30 pesos. And for the credit memo, so that is for your debit, okay? We have here debit and a subcheck and printing charge. We have the amount given here as well. So for the given credit, we have here the collection of note receivable for 1,000 pesos plus interest earned of 50 less bank collection fee of 15. How did we get it? How did we get 1,035 pesos? All you need to do is what? All you have to do is to add and subtract. So we have here the value 1,000 plus what? So that is earned. We have interest earned of how much? 50 pesos. So you also have your less bank collection. Less means minus, so we have to minus what? How much should we subtract? That's 15. So less 15 pesos. So that is equal to 1,035. Okay? So that's how we got it. So if you're going to compute this one, we have here the value, right? I gave it. But if you're going to compute this one, so you just have to find the sum. So given here, that is our answer. Wait for a moment. Supposed to be 1. How about this one? Okay, for a moment. Sum of the following given. I think there is something wrong with this one, okay? For a moment, let me check it. So 30 to 5. Okay, I got something wrong here. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be 9. Okay. So now we got it correctly. Because we have to adjust and make sure that the book balance and your bank balance will be equal. Okay? So again, for the bank reconciliation statement, you have to do this and make sure that your bank and book will be equal. So if there is an error or difference, we have to, of course, reconcile. So that will be all, and thank you. I hope you understand well.